Section 15 of CGST Act 2017 states that the value of the supply of goods and services shall be the transaction value, that is, the price that is actually paid or payable for the supply. Whether the subsidy receivable from the government shall be deducted for arriving at taxable value. Hi, I Surabhi welcome you all to our channel where we will discuss landmark judgment on GST. In this case, applicant intends to manufacture and supply plant and machinery to a party called Chinnapuri Silk. Chinnapuri, that is the recipient of machinery, is eligible for the 90% of subsidy from central and state government. The amount of subsidy received from the government will be deposited in an escrow account of Chinnapuri, and from this account, the funds will be transferred to the supplier of machinery, that is the applicant. Chinnapuri is insisting that the applicant shall charge GST on the total invoice value after reducing the subsidy amount sanctioned to him. Therefore, applicant sought an advance ruling if he has to deduct the subsidy amount for the calculation of taxable amount for the purpose of GST. Advance ruling authority stated that the subsidy amount shall not be reduced for calculation of taxable amount. GST shall be levied on the total price including subsidy. The applicant should raise an invoice for full contract price because even if the recipient is not provided with the subsidy, the full contract price is still recoverable from Chinnapuri. Thank you for watching this video. For more such updates, follow Logitax.